In this video, I would like to share items that I got from TEMU for stationery and kids and office items, and I hope you will like it. And let's get started. All right, so I'm moving to kids stuff, office stuff. So this is what I got actually to test for my kid birthday for treat bags. I'm skipping like lots of candies maybe this year. So I wanted to see if this is worth it to get into the treat bag. So this is a set of 2 pencil, a eraser, a ruler, and a sharpener. So I think it was a bundle of 2 for $1 something, like I don't remember right now, so I will again put it somewhere here, the screenshot of the price. The next item that I actually fell in love with is these tiny notebooks for kids as well, for treat bags that I'm thinking to put in. And it's very nice colors. I think it was also a bundle of 2 and I decided to try. So inside it's like pretty thick, I would say. Inside there is one page that is colors, I guess maybe like an accent page, but in general I'm very happy with the quality of this notebook, so maybe I will try to buy more for treat bags more. And my kids are obsessed with erasers, so I know it's not Christmas anymore, so it's kind of like a clearance item. This erasers like are really tiny erasers, but I mean, yeah, kids' hands are really tiny, so this is like a tiny reindeer. So my best design, I think it's like stockings. So this is a tiny, oh my gosh. This is a tiny snowman, and then Santa. So it's like all together, I think like 20 or 24, I don't remember, erasers in one. So it can be also useful for like treat bags for Christmas, for example, for classroom, or like teachers, you know, sometimes they give something to kids. Like kids love erasers all the time, and especially in the kindergarten, they start using pencils, like normal pencils, you know, just gray pencil, and they will use erasers a lot. I also got to test this very cute eraser. So this is kind of big eraser, and I'm thinking maybe this will go into our treat bags. And it's very funny and cute, Piggy and kitty cats. So it's all sealed to make sure that it's haven't been used. So I guess when you need more erasers, you need to pull it down. I think it was $1 something for one, but I mean, it's really nice quality. Like I love it how it is turn out. So I also got these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for treat bags because I don't know, I think I made a mistake. It's only animals and sea animals, so I don't know if I'm going to use those. So kids love this in treat bags, you know, like for birthday or for Halloween. And then last but not least is I got it for my kids to learn numbers, and it's not bad quality, but what my complaint is about the numbers, that they are kind of like connected, but I understand that the idea of the puzzle is that, you know, 1 and 6 as if it goes together, but I wish that there is some separators. I hope I enjoy haul of office kits and stationery items from TEMU app. Don't forget to use my link of the pics that I was showing in this video, and don't forget to use code which I'm going to put on the screen for 30% off for new users. And don't forget to like, share this video or comment under this video, and we'll see you in my next videos, and bye bye.